It's another hot, beautiful day here. Maddie is still oiling away on all of our maple stuff. Got the bench, leg, shelves, tabletops. How's it going?
It's going.
Are you having fun?
Yeah, it's not too bad. Everything's nice and shiny and pretty.
But today we are working on drawers. So we got these two bad boys. So these are our clothing drawers, a his and her set. One thing I was worried about though was Maddie not being able to fit all of her clothes into one drawer when she had a whole walk-in closet. So we tested them out last night and hopefully everything fits.
I am 90% sure I can get all of my clothes in here. This is humongous.
This is the bathtub.
I'm 90% sure I could take a bath in here. Are you ready for this challenge?
So we got the clothes drawers and we're going to try and see if our downsized closets so far can fit into these, because this is going to be pretty much the main storage for our clothes except for jackets, and we'll have the little spot next to the TV. So
hopefully we have minimized enough.
I think I'm going to use about half and you're going to use
90.
my half too.
Also, for the record, when we left Grand Forks, I threw away 10 trash bags of like old high school t-shirts that he had.
From my first job at the grocery store.
He is a clothes hoarder.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
We did it, guys! And I'm still minimalizing. I have a pile of stuff to pawn off onto my sister.
I'm happy. I can get more clothes.
We'll see. Pretty good, though. I'm proud of us.
Not bad for only getting from going to a walk-in closet to a
walk-in closet and 3 dressers.
To 24 by 40 inch drawer. One drawer.
Yeah, it's not bad at all.
So
good job, babe.
Did good. We're starting the pantry now. We're going to get some pieces cut and nailed together. So what we did is I notched here and then I put a little backer piece. That way my drawer slide fits kind of inside the cabinet there. And then that way your cabinet can be a little bit bigger and the drawer slide's not taking up so much space. Does it matter? I don't know, but work for us.
All right, test fitting.
Just pretend I'm a soft closed drawer slide.
Ooh. We can put a lot of food in there for a van. So we'll have 2 of those, and then down there is where the dog food will go.
So Maddie is finishing up the kitchen drawers, and we just have a couple more to build, except these are kind of going in a cool location, which I don't know if you guys ever seen before. So watch this. So a normal cabinet has this called toe kick, that's what I call it, mopboard, but it's so when you stand up against the cabinet you can actually stand closer to it and be comfortable because your toes will have a place to sit. Try and stand as close to a wall as possible. Not very comfy. Most of the time this is 3 inches here, and in normal cabinets it's a waste of space. So what we did, normal height is 3 inches. We bumped ours up to 4 inches. And the reason why, so we could put drawers in there. So a 3.5 inch drawer, not bad. Can fit a lot of stuff in there. This one's a little awkward because we have to have the propane tank for the stove, but Maddie's getting them sanded up and we're gonna get them painted, and I think tomorrow we'll get them all mounted.
Drawer number 1, done.
Oh my god. It's gonna be a long day.
He's been working on this for like 2 hours.
And then like when I left, I went and ate a bowl of cereal and Googled how to adjust drawer slides, and nothing.
Would you like to show the people what this lovely drawer is for? Microwave! And behind it, we'll have our blender and hopefully a toaster. Is a toaster gonna fit there with that thing popping out?
Hopefully.
But all of our appliances will be up here. A toaster might be a bit excessive for the van, but we weren't sure what we were gonna store back there and we didn't want to waste the space. So we found the smallest toaster we could find, and it'll be here on the 20th. What a beautiful morning. Yesterday ended up being a super long day. We started installing our drawers and our drawer slides broke. So we spent all day fiddling with those. So now we have to take these two out, fix the drawer slides, put them back in, and then we can continue on. But all of these drawers went smoothly. Even our little toe kick drawers. They went great. They all just popped right in. But we ended up putting the camera down just because it was such a long, frustrating day. So we slept good, we woke up with fresh minds, and we are ready to fix these drawer slides and move on. Right?
These are way too big to go there.
Oh.
I think we'll have to just put it on the corner there of the cabinet.
Okay. After a long morning of fussing with the drawer slides, we are finally getting to work on our cabinet faces. Looks like we are starting with the most complicated door first. One down. Only a few more to go. Just one more overhead, and then I can start painting. We have our last cabinet door. Ready to take them all down so I can paint them?
Yay! Real quick, guys, I wish I would have cut it on film, but we're just sitting here cutting up supports and door faces, stuff like that, and should always be safe around the table saw because anything can happen. And that is what happened to me. So I was running it through on this side, and right when I got to the end, it caught a little splinter on the workbench and snagged it, and it turned that thing 90 degrees, and then it skipped and hit me in the leg. But craziest thing is, if you see my phone, see how it's bent? Yeah. Thank God that was in my pocket. It saved my leg probably from who knows what. But just a quick, always be safe around power tools, always be paying attention. So, because the first thing when that happened is you always pull your hands up so you don't lose a finger. But lost a phone today, that can be replaced. So back on to getting everything cut. Now we got to get a different piece because this one's all messed up. Well guys, we got the cabinet doors installed here on the uppers. So I know one thing, this is our TV one and the clearance is pretty short, so I think after dinner here we're going to practice putting the TV in. I don't know about practice, but try and put the TV in, see if it works. But turned out pretty good. Good thing I talked Maddie into routering these doors. She just kind of wanted a flush look. I said let's put a little bit of router on so there's some definition in the doors. But it's looking really good, I can tell you that.
What's crazy is that we bought our hardware, what, a year and a half ago? And we're only short by 2. And we added a pantry and we did our cupboards different.
Yeah.
And we're only short by 2 things of hardware. And that's because we're putting 2 on the shower and 2 on the overhead. That's crazy. I don't know how this man plans his projects, but it blows my mind because our plywood is almost spot on. We're only gonna have a couple extra sheets. Our hardware is spot on. The layout was spot on. You amaze me, babe.
I try my best.
Well, Blackout can't find his little hardware jig thingamabob, but I don't know what it is, but he can't find it, so we can't do hardware tonight. So, this is the end of this one. Be sure and like and subscribe, because we're almost done here. We've only got a couple weeks left and we'll be moving in. Yay! See you later, guys.
And I promise that